Your yarn will always come with care instructions to follow, and you should follow these when taking care for your yarn and washing it. There's a popular misconception that exists even today that wool is just a huge faff to take care of and that it will shrink with the mere sight of a washing machine. Well, luckily, that is just not true at all. If you have a washing machine with a wool or a delicate cycle and a detergent that's suitable for wool and silk, then you can wash your knits as easily as you do your other laundry. I'm going to share with you what we do in our house for taking care of our woolen things. So there's me, my husband, and our 5-year-old kid Torbjörn. We have a laundry basket that we just use for woolly stuff and for things that need special care. When it gets full enough to put a load on, I put in the wool detergent. Anything that I particularly need to be careful with, like maybe a lace knit or something, I just shove that in a laundry bag. I set our washing machine to a 30-degree wash and also on the most gentle spin cycle. 40 minutes later, it's done. I do this regardless of whether the yarn that the knits are made out of is superwash or not, whether they're coarse or fine. I just put everything in together. The reason that this works is that the yarn isn't being agitated at too high a temperature. If the water temperature is set too high together with the soap and maybe a too high spin cycle, it's going to felt. So if you just remember to set it at a nice cool wash, gentle detergent and a slow spin, you shouldn't run into any problems at all. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.